When you are the speaker at an event, you will have an above average opportunity to meet and make connections with a variety of interesting people who are in the audience. Those who make presentations are often granted high level of credibility and thus will be sought out before and after the speech by people who are interested in shaking hand and discussing the presentation. All opportunities come from people, and you never know whom you might meet that could become a valuable contact. Take advantage of your mini celebrity status during an event to make connection with others. Always be interested in others and ask them questions about themselves, because if the whole conversation is just about you and your presentation, you might miss the chance to make a mutually beneficial connections. Plan ahead before your presentation to maximize effective networking. Know who is going to be present at the event and make plans to seek out anyone would like to meet. Ask the event organizer for a copy of RSVP list a few days in advance, or arrive early and review the name tags. Participate in the networking that takes place before the event gets started. Often the speaker uses this time to set up the PowerPoint projector or make other preparations. Arrive early enough to get equipment set up before people arrive, and then actively socialize with the crowd before the event. In addition to quality networking opportunities, you will be able to learn interesting information about the organization and individuals that you can weave into your presentations. Be sure that you bring plenty of business cards when you speak. You never want to run out of cards when you are shaking hands and socializing with those in attendance at your presentations. Not having cards will make you appear unprepared or uninterested in the people that you meet. Meeting a person one time does not make them part of your network. It takes several interactions to establish a real relationship. Therefore, a business card is an important tool for instigating a future follow up. Allow plenty of time after the event to talk with people. While you may not be accustomed to being the center of attention, do not shy away from talking with those who seek you out after your presentation concludes. Some speakers create problems for themselves by scheduling other meetings too soon after the speech and thus have to leave quickly following the conclusion of their remarks. This will be viewed as rude by audience members who would like the chance to meet you. Spend as much as time as necessary to allow everyone who desires shaking your hand to do so. Always be friendly and polite to everyone, as that will impact how they remember your speech. If you do meet someone interesting, be sure to get their business card and then follow up with them in a timely manner. The biggest mistake in networking is not following up with the people you meet whom you would like to get to know better. Own the follow up and send an email or a handwritten note telling them you enjoyed meeting at the event and plan for a future contact. This is going to create a real great impact. Thank you and see you in the next video.